Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about solid-state diffusion. What is the primary driving force for diffusion in solids? A. Temperature. B. Pressure. C. Concentration gradient. D. Electric field. E. Magnetic field. The correct answer is C. Concentration gradient. Which of the following best describes Fick's first law of diffusion? A. The rate of diffusion increases with time. B. The flux is proportional to the concentration gradient. C. The diffusion coefficient is always constant. D. Diffusion only occurs at high temperatures. E. Diffusion is independent of temperature. The correct answer is B. The flux is proportional to the concentration gradient. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. In which crystal structure is diffusion typically fastest? A. Body-centered cubic. B. Say. B. Face-centered cubic. FCC. C. Hexagonal close-packed. HCP. D. Simple cubic. E. Diamond cubic. The correct answer is A. Body-centered cubic. BBC. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.